this fine day, we are making number 2 of these. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to place my stuff on top, clamp it down, make it match, and cut away. So I'm going to do the first part, is the hardest part, which is this corner here. So I'm going to clamp this down, adjust its length, fine tune it, get it in position, get that piece in position, clamp it down, then start working on it. So what I'm going to do is put an 1/8 inch piece of steel between these, so it's spaced off so I don't weld my two together, because that would make for a bad day.